Please read the user manual before installation. Remove the 4 screws from the windscreen. Remove the windscreen. Remove these 4 screws. Attach the 4 gaskets. Apply screw glue to the screws. Mount the right bar. Align the holes, reinstall the screws and secure it. Attach the left bar. Align the holes, reinstall the screws and secure it. Install the connection rod. Align D-type anti-rotation port. Secure it with screws. Use torque wrench to tighten the screws. Refer to the diagram for torque. Reinstall the windscreen. Secure it with screws. Use torque wrench to tighten all screws. Refer to the diagram for torque. Installation completed. Thanks for watching.